huge red flag. If you're in crypto, you need to listen to this because Silvergate Bank is down 40% today. This is the biggest crypto bank in the United States. Here are some of their customers. They literally work with 1,600 of the world's largest crypto miners, exchanges, and custodians that use them to deposit and transfer billions of dollars each month. But for most of Silvergate's 30-year history, they were just this tiny community bank with like 3 branches in Southern California doing tiny real estate deals, and they had like $1 billion in assets. But then in 2019, that all changed. They decided to get into crypto, and by 2020, they had $2 billion in assets, and then in 2021, it surged to $10 billion, and then last year in 2022, it went to $16 billion. And like every company that's hot, they decided to do an IPO. So they IPO'd at $12 in 2019. Stock went on this insane run to $200, and now it's back down to $12. Okay, so triggered by the FTX collapse, there's now been a bank run on Silvergate. Over $8.1 billion has been pulled out of the bank as there's been a complete loss in confidence. So now there's only $3.8 billion left in this bank, and it just came out that $150 million of that is held by customers that have declared bankruptcy. Many of its customers were over-leveraged, firms that were gambling that the price of crypto wouldn't fall. Now, to quickly raise cash and fix their balance sheet, they're having to sell securities. So they sold $5.2 billion worth of securities, and they actually netted a loss over $700 million. They're also firing 40% of their workforce. Now, short sellers are selling the crap out of this stock because they think there's more trouble ahead. Now, the CEO did come out and say that they have enough cash on hand to cover current liabilities, but I don't know if the market really believes him. Now, if you follow me, you know that back in November, I released this thread saying that I believe something was going on with Silvergate and there were some red flags. Now, if you don't want to miss insights like this, the type that mainstream media just will not give you, make sure to hit that follow button.